When wheels and legs fail, evolution takes over. An advanced surveillance robot is equipped with state-of-the-art wheels and legs for optimal mobility in challenging terrains. Navigating through a dense forest, its advanced sensors and agile legs allow it to move swiftly over rocks and through underbrush. However, as it climbs a steep slope, its legs encounter a slick patch of moss, causing it to tumble down. With its advanced ability, it can adapt and repair itself, merging organic and synthetic components. Its legs transform into more resilient, and its sensors become more acute. A new form of mobility and surveillance emerges. Now fully adapted, moves through the forest with enhanced agility. It climbs trees, using its new limbs to perch and observe its surroundings with advanced sensors. With its new capabilities, it can provide unparalleled surveillance, adapting to any environment. It can capture critical data on the forest's ecosystem, monitoring wildlife and detecting potential threats. The data is transmitted back to the control room, where scientists analyze it to better understand and protect the environment. When the old ways fail, life finds a new path. Evolution ensures it can continue its mission, no matter the challenge.